In this video, we'll create an adapter for the RecyclerView. So new Java class. The name is RecyclerView adapter history. Okay. RecyclerView adapter history extends RecyclerView.adapter and the argument is RecyclerView adapter history view holder. We'll create this history view holder class in a moment. Let's declare some variables. A history type array list histories, a context variable context. Now let's add our constructor. So the parameter of our constructor is context and a history type array list histories. And then we set histories to this histories and this context to this context. Now let's create this history view holder class. So public class history view holder extends RecyclerView.viewHolder, and now the constructor. So history view holder, and it calls super with v as its parameter. In this class we need to declare our text view. So text view en word, and inside this constructor we assign this text view to this en word variable. Now we need to overwrite onCreateViewHolder. Here we create a view with history item layout XML file and return new history view holder view. Now we need to overwrite onBindViewHolder. The parameter is history view holder and position. And here we get the word from histories array list and set the word to this en word text view. This get en word function is in our history class. If we control click, we can see this function. And now we need to override get item count. It just returns the size of our histories array list. Now we need to add an on-click listener to this view v so the user can click on history. v.set on-click listener, and on click, first we get the position of the clicked word and then assign the word to this text variable. And now we send this text variable to the word meaning activity in a bundle. Bundle.put string, the key is en_word, intent.put extras bundle, and here we need to add context before start activity. That is all for this video.